Welcome to the channel. Have you know about a geological hammer? What it uses and how it works? In this video, we will explore what a geological hammer are, what it uses, and how it works in the field. So, what is a geological hammer? A geological hammer is one of the most important tools used in field geology for rock breaking, sample collection, and studying fresh rock surfaces. This video is useful for BSc and MSc geology students, competitive exam aspirants, and anyone interested in earth science and geological field techniques. Learn how a geological hammer helps in identifying minerals, rock textures, structures, and supports geological mapping. Geologists' hammers, as with most hammers, have two heads, one on either side. Most commonly, the tool consists of a flat square head on one end with either a chisel or a pick head at the other end. The most durable hammer is a drop-forged steel and est-wing hammer. Types include rock picks, pointed tip for hard rock, and chisel edge hammers for sedimentary rocks or fossils. Uses of geological hammer in field geology. Geological hammer is mainly used in field geology for various purposes. First is fresh rock surface exposures. Geological hammer, also known as rock hammer or geopick, is used to expose fresh rock surfaces, as weathered surfaces may obscure accurate analysis of a rock's composition, bedding orientation, mineralogy, history, and strength. 2. Sampling and splitting. The pointed pick, rock pick, is used to fracture hard rock, while the chisel end is ideal for splitting sedimentary rocks to reveal fossils or cleaving layers. 3. Excavation and prying. The pick head can be used to dig into soil or weathered rock to locate bedrock, while the chisel end acts as a pry bar to extract samples. Types of geological hammers. Geological hammers are specialized, categorized primarily by their head shape, pick, pointed for igneous and metamorphic rocks, and chisel, flat for sedimentary rocks. Key types include pick point hammers for splitting and prying, blunt cracking hammers for heavy hammering, and specialized crack hammers for driving chisels, with 16 to 22 ounces being standard weights. Importance of geological hammer in geological processes. A geological hammer is enabling geologists to analyze rock types, identify fossils, and interpret geological history. It is crucial for collecting samples for laboratory analysis, mapping, and evaluating structural, mineral, and engineering properties of geological formations. Key aspects include paleontological research, geological mapping, paleontological research, structural analysis. Safety tips while using a geological hammer. When using a geological hammer, safety is paramount. The primary risk comes from flying rock and metal fragments, so proper protective equipment and correct technique are essential. Protective equipment. Protective goggles or glasses. Always wear impact-resistant safety goggles to protect your eyes from flying debris. Bystanders should also wear eye protection. Gloves. Use durable gloves to protect your hands from sharp rock edges, reduce vibration, and improve grip. Sturdy footwear. Wear strong, closed-toe boots, preferably steel-toed, to protect your feet from falling rocks or missed hammer strikes and to provide better grip on slippery terrain. Hard hat. Wear a hard hat when working near cliffs, quarries, or other areas where falling objects are a risk. Long clothing. Long pants and sleeves can offer some protection from minor shrapnel and environmental hazards like poisonous plants or insects. Some best geological hammers for field use. Est-wing E3-22P pointed tip rock pick hammer. Classic and highly rated geology hammer with pointed tip and shock reduction grip, ideal for rock breaking and sampling. Effiker-22-ounce all-steel rock pick hammer. All-steel rock pick with strong construction and excellent reviews. ASR Outdoor 20-ounce rock pick mining hammer, popular mid-range hammer for geology and prospecting. Hawk Xeon rock pick hammer, highly rated choice with good balance and grip. Estwing is one of the most respected brands for geological hammers, known for one-piece forged steel construction and shock reduction grip, making them durable for long fieldwork.